Okay, so in this video I will show you how you can create this type of fake reflection in Nuke. So basically you just need few things. First of all, you need your footage. So if I disable everything, you can see that I have this footage. Where is that? I have this, not this one. I have this image, and then I'm just adding the fire on top of this, like this, and you can see there is no reflection in the ground. So we have to just take the whole thing, like this one, merge one, and then we have to connect this thing with the post stamp. So the use of this post stage stamp is it will just kind of duplicate your thing from this one to this one. You can directly connect this whole thing with the merge one. Then you have to use a mirror node, and basically the use of mirror is it will just mirror your whole thing. You have to just enable vertical flip and you're good to go. Then you have to use a transform so that you can transform this. If I show you the mirror one, you can see this is flipping the image, and then with the help of transform node, I'm just moving that thing down to the level of my of this area. So after that we have to add a noise. So we are just adding this type of noise, and then you can use this one noise, I think draw one, yeah. So you will get this node, and basically you have to just do few settings. You have to just click on this XY, and then you can just decrease your thing like this. Then click on this 2, and then you can just hold your middle mouse button and then you can drag. So you can see we are creating some sort of stretched out image, and we will use this thing as a water reflection, or you can say ripples of water. Then we need to add a copy node. You have to just write copy, and you can just use this copy channel. And in this one we have to make sure you enable this to option, and then in the first one you have to select red, second one green, and then in this one forward U and forward V, and that's it. After that we need a eye distort node. So this one will help you to give this type of ripple effect. You can see this is, if I disable this, this is kind of very sharp, and this is giving that ripple. So in this one you have to just give this thing UV channel to forward, and then you have to just increase your UV scale. I'm using 99 value. You have to just change your thing. So in the 0 this will look like this, and if I increase this, this is creating more and more ripples. So you have to just do some hit and trial and you're good to go. Then you can just add a blur to just make everything just a bit blurry, because in real life reflection you will not gonna get very sharp reflections. So I'm just adding some blur. It is not very visible, but yeah, we are just giving some, just 1.1. You can make it more also if you want, but yeah. So that's it. You just need this setup in order to create the reflection. Then you have to just take everything. You have to add a merge node in your main stuff. So this is the main thing, and this one is the with reflection. So you can see we are getting the reflections and everything, and yeah, that's it. And yeah, that's it. So you can see there we are getting proper reflection of everything with animation. So you can see this is kind of looking like water. Maybe you can increase the speed of the water ripples, and yeah, I forgot to tell how to animate this. So if I go to my, if you go to your noise one, then you can see there is a Z option. You have to just give keyframes to the Z option. So in the frame 1 it was in 0, so you're getting this type of ripples, and then you have to just go to your last frame. For example, if I go to 100 and I think it was 340, then you can see I'm just adding another keyframe there. You can just right click and then you can just set key. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this tutorial. I think this will help you. Thank you for watching.